Tara, takas muna tayo.
Good morning. Today is Monday, July 20. Papunta tayong Punta, Hala-Hala. Around 80 kilometers yung distance, balikan. And nothing too crazy. I'm not chasing a personal record today. Ang goal lang natin is simple lang, just to get away for a while. I actually woke up a little late today. 4:45 na ako nagising and I left the house around 5:25. And the problem is our meet-up was 5:30 and kailangan ko pa pumunta ng Baras. Siguro mga 20 minutes pa yung kailangan kong i-bike. Sorry na agad, Boss Kim. Our meet-up point was Jollibee Baras. Of course, Kimo was already there. As always, siya yung laging on time and ako yung medyo nalilate. Wala nang kwentuhan. Ride na kaagad.
Hey, Awel!
Since this ride is longer than my last one, we agreed to take it easy. I still consider myself a beginner, so ayoko munang biglain. And to be honest, I wasn't in my best shape either. Siguro dahil ilang weeks din ako hindi nakapag-training, so ayokong i-rush and ayokong i-pressure yung sarili ko. The goal wasn't to ride fast. Gusto ko lang i-enjoy yung ride ngayon.
Tingin mo, kasya na pa sa'yo itong damit ko.
Sa akin?
Oo.
Puto ko yun.
Luluwagan na ako eh.
It's been quite a while since my last ride. A lot has happened over the past few weeks and honestly, I even questioned if I still wanted to keep cycling. Then, I realized I hadn't ridden my bike for weeks. Hindi dahil ayoko, marami lang talagang mga kailangan unahin at siguro hindi pa talaga handa yung sarili kong bumalik pa sa daan.
Kim, kape tayo, Kim. Ay.
Ito na, going to Hala-Hala, ito yung part na mahirap talaga. Yung part na hinihintay ng legs ko at kinakatakutan ng baga ko. Hindi naman sobrang tarik pero sapat para iparamdam sa'yo na buhay ka. Slow and steady lang, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Favorite part ko talaga to eh. After ng ahon, tapos ganito yung view. Worth it lahat ng pagod mo. After a few kilometers, quick stop muna tayo sa 7-Eleven.
Ikaw. Ito. May Gcash payment.
I was actually looking for my favorite coffee, yung kopi ko 78 degrees Celsius ata yung tawag doon. Favorite ko yun nung college. Yung feeling na magpapalpitate ka sa unang bote mo. Pero wala silang stock eh. Hindi na rin ako makapili, so I just settled for something else. Quick recharge lang, then back on the road na. Of course, hindi mawawala yung kulitan. Apparently, ngayon lang napanood ni Kim yung mga vlogs ko kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya pinapost.
Ayoko!
So, ayun, kaya todo
Ayoko
pang
makita
assign niya
sa'yo.
sa akin ngayon. Same route lang naman to sa previous vlog ko. Ito na din yung arko ng Halhala. Then after nito, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga next na makikita ko, kaya excited talaga ako. This was actually my first time riding through this road and grabe, sobrang tahimik. Ang maririnig mo lang yung mga huni ng ibon at yung tunog ng bike mo. Halos wala rin dumadaan na sasakyan. Tapos ang lamig pa ng hangin kasi ang daming puno. And honestly, this is the kind of road that makes you want to slow down and just enjoy the ride.
Let's go!
Pangat to.
Ano masasabi mo sa ride natin today?
Guys. If you know
Guys.
the unknown, don't know it.
Ganda. Ganda nung naka-blue na bike ko.
Ayon Perez. Pil na pil.
Trees are softly swaying. Nature's quietly playing. Streams of water flowing. Great peace is growing. Find your peace here. Let go of your fear. Breathe in the calm. Rest in nature's balm. Stars in endless sky.
Finally, nandito na tayo sa punta.
Whispers by. Moonlight gently glowing. Calmness ever flowing. Close your eyes.
Time for a little photo shoot.
Gentle spirit. Nature's song of healing brings a peaceful.
After taking a few photos, umalis na rin kami.
Find your peace.
Or so we thought. Kasi after a few minutes, napahinto na naman kami kasi ang ganda ng view eh. Sayang kung hindi mo mapipicturan.
Ganda mag-picture dyan, oh. Pero yung view lang. Hindi para gumit na. Hindi, sige, wala nang makalubog. Ito. Hindi, dito. Ah, magpipicture ka sa gitna. Baliw ka talaga. Palabon. Kanya-kanya takbo to pa mo.
Picture kami sa gitna ng daan kasi ay nga, madalang yung mga sasakyan. But if you're planning to ride here too, mag-ingat din kayo, lalo na kung magpipicture kayo.
Nature's quietly playing. Streams of water flowing, great pieces growing.
Guys, iwanan ko na
Find
siya.
your peace
Guys, iwanan ko na siya, guys.
let go of your fear.
After namin mag-picture, padjak na ulit kami. By this point, medyo binibilisan na rin namin yung pace pa uwi. Kasi sabi sa akin, muulan na raw sa Teresa. And at the same time, ramdam ko na rin yung pagod. So, ang goal na lang namin is makauwi bago kami abutan ng ulan.
Light gently glowing, calmness ever flowing. Close your eyes and hear. Feel the gentle spirit. Nature's song of healing brings a peaceful feeling. Find your peace here. Let go of your fear. Breathe in the calm. Rest in nature's balm.
After a few kilometers, may nakita kaming maliit na cart sa gilid ng kalsada. Nothing fancy, just a simple setup selling fresh buko and lumpiang toge. And honestly, sometimes those are the best kind of stops. Nag-order kami ng buko and a couple of lumpiang toge habang nagpapahinga. Then, nakipagkwentuhan na din kami kay kuya.
Find your peace
And nagulat siya nung nalaman niyang galing pa kaming Teresa. In-interview din namin siya if magkano yung puhunan niya, ano yung usual nakita niya sa isang araw. And kahit ako, nagulat ako dun sa sinagot niya eh. Niloko ko pa nga if pwede ba niya akong pautangin. Natawa na lang din siya. And one thing I love about cycling is that it brings you places you normally just drive past. Kasi if nakasasakyan kami, we probably would never stopped here. But on a bike, you notice the little things. You meet people, you hear their stories, and sometimes those unexpected conversations become your favorite part of the ride. While riding home, I realized something. When I left the house this morning, I thought I just needed a ride. Pero habang pauwi, na-realize kong hindi pala yung destination yung kailangan ko. It was everything that happened along the way. The quiet roads, yung tawanan, yung random stops, yung conversations, and the people. Maybe that's what takas muna really means. Hindi para takasan yung buhay, but to give yourself a little space so you can come back feeling a little lighter. See you on the next episode of Takas Muna.